Lost work in AutoCAD and discovered an $AB file in your project folder? This is an autosave backup file created by AutoCAD. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to recover work from these AutoCAD Autosave backup files. Here's a professional insight. For those AB files that absolutely refuse to open, I have an advanced, non-standard solution. We'll deploy that secret technique if the simple steps don't work. AB GARs. Files are autosave backup files created by AutoCAD to protect against data loss during drawing sessions. They contain periodic snapshots of active drawings created at user-configured intervals, enabling recovery of work after crashes, power failures, or accidental closures without saving. AB files mirror the structure of standard AutoCAD DWG files, but with the ABDOP extension to differentiate from active drawings. The format includes complete drawing geometry layers, blocks, and metadata, enabling full recovery of work to the last autosave point in the editing session. Your primary software solution for ABDOR files should be AutoCAD from Autodesk. The complex compression ratio is not supported by standard Windows decompression tools. Windows doesn't understand the internal backup schema, so reading the data relies on matching software. Begin the search for the specific application handler. Right-click the ABDOLLARS file and choose Open With. Use AutoCAD first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is essential. If your ABDOLLARS file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The file didn't cooperate. Let's now transition to these 3 highly effective troubleshooting steps to conquer the ABDOLLARS problem. First, renaming to DWG. Locate the ABDOLLAR file in your AutoCAD Autosave folder, typically in the user's temporary directory. Rename the file extension from ABDOLLARS to DWG. Right-click the file, select Rename, and change the extension. The rename file opens normally in AutoCAD as a standard drawing. Next, opening in AutoCAD. Once renamed to DWG, open the file in AutoCAD using File, then Open. Review the drawing for completeness, comparing against your last manual save. Save the recovered drawing under a new name to prevent overwriting any newer work, and continue editing from the recovered state. Finally, configuring Autosave. To prevent future data loss, configure AutoCAD's autosave settings for shorter intervals. Use options, then Open and Save tab and adjust. Automatic save frequency. Setting autosave to 10 minutes or less ensures minimal work loss in case of unexpected application failures. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to FileMagick.com for the program. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.